Okay, let's see what I got for Christmas. I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, I didn't get anything from Saks Fifth Avenue. I know this is just a bag that the person had for conveying things to me. Let me take this out because this actually isn't even for me. This is someone else's, so we'll set that aside. And there's some things in here that are not gifts. So we have this nice red gift bag. Thank you for the effort. Inside of this gift bag, oh, there ain't nothing in there. Okay, well, set that aside. Maybe something fell out. See what else do we have here? So we have a box and another bag. Now I think this other bag, I think that also is not gift. So I think it's just one gift and whatever's in the box. So what's inside of here? Yep. So those are some security cameras. I know exactly what that's for. So that leaves us with this. So this is what I got. Let's see. J2I from Amin. Thank you for taking the time to wrap my gift in paper. I really appreciate this. You know, you can really tell how important you are to someone based off of the effort that they put into presentation of your gift. And, you know, to others out there, do not accept if they try to be very cheap about presentation. Ah, I see what this is. So let me get this out so y'all can see what it is. Let's just rip this paper off. We got ourselves a Sonic the Hedgehog arcade machine. Includes 2 games. So let's see, what 2 games are those? Oh, so they have Sonic the Hedgehog 1 and 2 on there. So I have a machine that is dedicated to that. Thank you, Amin. That was very thoughtful of you. So we're gonna get some batteries in here and start playing it. I find it interesting that there's a USB-C input on the back of this. I wonder if this means I can play it without putting batteries in. Now, it did come with batteries along with a small screwdriver for removing the battery door. But let's see what happens if we just plug in a USB-C cable. So it's plugged in. Just remove the screen cover. Oh wait, power button. Okay, I haven't even, looks like I don't actually even need to put in batteries. Now the question is, do I even bother to put in batteries? So I can select the first Sonic or the second one. Let's do Old Faithful here. I have not played this in forever. Oh wait, I missed it. Oh no, I didn't. Oh, let's get all this. Where can I go? Come on. Okay, I'm horrible at this. Go back, go back, go back. Ah, it can't go back. Okay, good. I got the 100.